ever see this real?
That's unreal.
Trust me. Can't see the car in front of you?
No. See if I can get it.
Put it. In front. You can see any car in front of you. And now we're the front. Alright.
Unbelievable.
I'll challenge you to pull on. See?
These vehicles had to stop and wait. They're on the shoulder.
Look that.
They're all on the shoulder.
Yeah.
They can't see. Hazard on everything.
I think they did the right thing.
But why aren't we stopped?
Wow.